Hello everybody, I'm Lithium from Noblelift. As we all know that batteries are essential to the electric forklifts, and since it's winter now in China, it's pretty cold. So today we're going to talk about how to maintain the battery during the cold weather. Let's talk about the maintenance of lithium battery. Working environment. Operating temperature of lithium battery is from 5 to 40 degrees Celsius. They're quite sensitive to low temperature and moisture. However, now many batteries are equipped with the heating functions for batteries such as for Noblelift H Pro, RT16, RT20 PCS. They can be used in low temperature such as cold storage. But for those batteries without heating function, please avoid using it in low temperature environments. Secondly, charging. Avoid fully charging or discharging in order to expand the lifespan of a lithium battery. When the battery level is around 30%, you can start charging. And always remember, use the original charger and ensure that the charging port is free of objects. Lastly, avoid long-term storage in low temperature environments. Third part, the long-term storage. When not in use for a long time, please store the lithium battery in a room temperature environment at a half-charged state. If it remains unused for over 6 months, please do not forget to perform a compensatory recharge. If you encounter issues with lithium battery not recharging properly, the following 3 points might help you. Charge while the battery is still warm. Charge the forklift immediately after use. Avoid using when the battery level is below 30%. Last, when the low temperature protection was initiated, it is necessary to warm them up to 5 degrees Celsius before recharging. Let's talk about the maintenance of lead-acid battery. Firstly, we should regularly inspect the battery to prevent issues such as loose connection or detached wiring. Secondly, during charging, open flames are prohibited in the charging area, so smoking is not allowed. Thirdly, regularly topping up with distilled water ensure the level of electrolyte is maintained. It is recommended to check the electrolyte level every week. And attention, only use the distilled water to top up the electrolyte. Last but not least, when the battery is not in use for a long time, it is recommended to charge it once a month, bringing the battery level to around 50% and store the battery at room temperature. So we just talked about the maintenance of both lithium and lead-acid battery. In general, in a cold environment, regardless of the battery type, they all need to be taken carefully for better use. So much for today. Thank you and bye-bye.